Hello everyone, my name is Kleinius from Kleinius Creations, and today I just wanted to show you a mini haul of what I got from scrapbook.com. So everything will be linked down below. First, I wanted to show you this. I'm actually excited to use this metallic acrylic paint from Finnabair. Everything that you see here on this mini haul I purchased with my own money. So, disclaimer. There's that. I haven't opened these ones yet, so let me just grab this. Actually, let's see here. It's the receipt. It doesn't really say how much. Huh. Everything will be linked down below anyway, so let's see here. I bought these things because I was so excited when I saw these. This is an 8x8 8x8 paper pad from the collection of Amber Moon from Prima. So this is perfect. What is this? Oh, cool. Anyway, so I think I'm going to do something about this. Maybe a card or a Thanksgiving tag that I'm going to send to my in-laws. So that's that. And then there's this one. Prima flowers. Not sure which collection it's from. It doesn't say. And another set of flowers. This one has 12 pieces and this one has like 14 pieces. These are like jewels from very fall colors from BoBunny. And what is this? This is from the same collection, the Amber Moon. It's ephemera. I'm not even sure which what is this. Oh, I think these are stickers. Like there's like 49 pieces in there. Everything will be linked down below in my description box. The obviously direct links to these ones. I'm not pretty sure they will still be in stock. Open them and see how they look like. You are the first ones to see these, the same as I am. Well, if you haven't bought this collection, I think you should, because look at those pretty ones. I don't want to open them. Okay. Anyway, I'll just reserve this for later. And this one, maybe we can open this. I have an X-Acto knife, I'm not sure where it is right now. It's still in the packaging. So I know this mini haul for Thanksgiving is kind of late, but I just received it today actually. I was really excited and I was hoping that I will receive it last week. But obviously that's out of my control, and here we are right now. Okay, there's that. And there is another one. I was really excited to use this. I've seen lots of crafters and mixed media artists using Finnabair products, and right now I am just trying to start again with the crafting and stuff. So you guys better watch out because there are more videos coming. I'm still trying to... Yes, I painted my own nails. I do my own nails because you do what you gotta do to save your coin, eh? Your girl is not prepared for this. Okay, there you go. Woohoo! Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Here it is. Ta-da! Oh, look how beautiful that is. There's so many things that you can do with this. Like, well, obviously, I think. Oh, yeah, it's double-sided. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful design. It's very fall themed. Back. Oh. Yes. Oh, look at this. This is great. I have no idea what to do yet. That's what I've... Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very vintage, very fall, very Thanksgiving theme. I'm so excited to use these. Are you? Wow. Wow. Just look at everything. Anyway, so that's that. And what else? This one. Chipboard and more. It's the Rossibelle. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry, Prima. Wow, sequins and like little embellishment, like metal embellishments. Oh, so good! Like, look at those chipboards. Let's just take them away. Packaging is very nice, you guys. Look at those. Vintage again. I'm a very vintage girl. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the sticker came off. Or no, don't come off yet. I'm not using you yet. Okay. Forever with you. Why is this coming off? Okay, there you go. Oh, look at those. Pretty. Can all go with everything. Okay, well, yeah, you know what I mean. It's so exciting. So exciting. Okay, so it says here there are 134 pieces. Now I'm not sure if that's counting these sequences. I'm pretty sure it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so there are 31 chipboards and 2 metal embellishments. And then I'm not going to count this. I mean, I don't want to count how many these are, so let's just say that it is 134 pieces. Okay, now. Okay, so, what's next? Let's open these things. It's the Ephemera, 49 pieces. Oh my gosh, yes! What are these? Stickers? Yeah, stickers. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh my gosh, this I can't. I died. I know that's exaggerating, but look how beautiful these are. Like they are foiled and shiny and gold, which is right up my alley. And like, oh my gosh, like who wouldn't be excited to use everything in their project? I would be. And look at these things, they're like additional, I'm not even sure what you call them, but they're like cardstocks, eh? So they're pretty thick. They're not like chipboards, but they're like cardstocks. What? Seriously, I'm so excited. Like, I'm just like, the number of projects that you can do with these. In one project, you could almost use most of it. No, not really, because it depends, hey? Like, I can go totally crazy. I'm not even sure which one goes with which, but yes, I am dressed today because I just got home from a special event. So I said might as well just film this mini haul. So I think these stickers are like around, if I can see my ruler somewhere, like pretty, I would say more than 3 inches. This one's, could be wrong, but yeah. Oh, okay. You know when you open up everything for the first time, you get excited and then you have to put them away and then you're like, there's too many. Anyways, I was thinking of making a card or a tag where you get your stuff from the dollar store or something. I was actually planning on it, but I'm not really sure if that's what you guys want to see. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. And what else do we have? Yes, stars, and yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know how to mail these, like the tags that I'm going to make, like the fall tags, because these are pretty bulky, and I'm pretty sure I'll have to pay extra postage for these ones. But if you guys want to know how much, I live in Canada, so I'm going to send this within Canada. So yeah, I will probably include that too in the blog post once everything is done. Yeah, anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. This is like a whole bunch of projects in here. You can use whatever stencils you have. I only have like the mini stencils over here. I bought them from Michael's. So those are some of my stencils. I'm excited to buy more. Anyway, so that concludes our mini what do you call this, mini haul from scrapbook.com. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this mini haul. I know it's all over the place. Please forgive me because this is the first time I'm doing a mini haul. I don't normally do it because I'm just too excited to open things up, but today I just thought that I would share with you guys the items that I've wasted my coin on. I'm just kidding. Yes, if you guys like to see more hauls, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want to see more. And obviously all of the things that I've opened and presented to you guys on this haul will be linked down below. and a blog post will be posted with further pictures. And what else? Yes, that's about it. And then don't forget to stay tuned on the project that I'm going to do with these materials, with the items that I bought. So stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to do them tomorrow. So yeah, I think I'll be doing a tag, Thanksgiving tag or card. Anyway, I'm not sure yet, so we'll see what it is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm more active on Instagram. I know I've been posting my videos because life has been crazy lately, but I'll try my best to post at least 2 videos a month of my crafting craziness. Anyway, thank you so much for there's a lot of thank yous. Yes, it's a Thanksgiving theme anyway. I'm more active on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me. It's Linus Creations. And yes, I hope you guys find inspiration on my craft work, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!